onipa bia sori a na dedie ne nom no di kan dwene ho wadwene na kobadie ho adwene na adwuma ho nipa dodo sen ane krakra adwene na adwene mpo a sebi odi tu anamon ho apomuden eno ni ade ba ko ate akema nipa mfa na adwene nkoso denso enu na edi nipa bebre no enya ekame akoye se oman no nheda ema na adwene nko ema ne nkwada adwene mu fan ho apomuden ho de denso enu na ekum nipa bebre no a ni senti Lady Julia was say tutu eye krobia sante kotoko hene na yere edeto na koma so se obesi down kra ewo mu akuokuo miensa a bronika ne se 3 phase no ahwa aboa ema ne nkwada adwene mu fan ho apomuden dwumadie wo ye won madwen so mbesi wo buadi ewo University Medical Village impenimfo cha ase ensusia ba mu se adankura yi yebehia opepenu mienu eye dollars ikanim $2 million ni etimi apagya adankura yesi ho ne senti Lady Julia was say tutu a wonne krobia asante kotoko yere edeto na koma so se obeboa ama ma ne nkwada adwene mu fan ho apomuden no watu ho anamo.
These things are to be able to ensure that draining the facility does not become harmful to the remainder of the community. This is going to be the general entrance. We have a Y column that's more like embraces and welcomes everybody, showing the strength in unity and yet in diversity within the facility, which serves as the porte cochere, where guests or visitors are dropped or workers can drop people and then they further move into the reception area so we can go in. Once you come into the facility, this area is going to be the reception area that welcomes into the facility. On my left, we have the consulting areas, and on my right, we have the supporting areas. So we have the town technical areas, and we have offices and conference rooms at the upper floor, based on the client's requirements, end user requirements for the project. So far, what we've done is that we've completed the first floor slab, we finished the roof slab, we starting the block work on the upper floor, we started the installation of the sub frames. Basically, the sub frames frames that we put into for openings to ensure that we are actually getting the openings as we want it for accuracy purposes and also to help with anchorage. So we'll be drilling onto these surfaces instead of drilling onto the block work. So those are some of the things that is being done. So once these things are done, we will start with the electrical first fix and all those things. So far so good. This is where we've got into. I can take you around, you have a fair idea of what's happening. So this is a typical consulting room. So we are going to have a curtain wall on this side. So it's going to, when it comes to natural lighting, you have more than enough for the space. Even though all the spaces have been designed to have passive cooling or active cooling, we can still open the windows where necessary if you want to turn the air conditions off. But the idea is to ensure that the spaces are well lit. It's the reason why we have large windows, even though it cost us more to do it. KGL was very supportive to take on some of these budgets to ensure that we are delivering a world-class facility, not something that is just, we are not delivering a facility that is about cost. We are delivering a facility that will last beyond its time, something that anybody who's traveled across the world will come and say, this is good, this is what we will build in America, this is what we will build in Europe, and that's what KGL Foundation has stood for throughout the whole period of the engagement to be able to deliver this project to the end user. So those are the things that we are doing. Lighting on point, we are ensuring that the facilities, that everything we give to them is going to be to the highest standard, Ghana standard or world standard, which one is higher. That's what is being delivered. And consistently, we are engaging KGL for approvals, working with them to ensure that we are not they are not left behind, and so is the end user. It's the reason why you find some of the end users are here. You have the university here who will be taking care of the facility after we are gone, and that's the sort of engagement we've had on the project so far.
On behalf of Lady Julia, the Eve Medical Foundation, and Eve International, we want to say thank you to your team, the KGL Foundation, for first believing in this project. Mental health is definitely something that we're all passionate about, and for trusting us and believing in us, and also the kind support. And we're hoping that this would eventually be cemented soon, especially the first phase of the project, where we're hoping to have the Vice President, the Minister of Health, and Lady Julia herself being present to commission this. So again, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. KGL Foundation, KGL Group. Yes, thank you so much for inviting us into the space and for allowing us to collaborate on this project. The foundation, we are very big on mental health. We think it's something in this country that is now kind of getting more attention.
Absolutely.
And hopefully through initiatives like this, it can spread the word more and give people access to much needed healthcare. So looking forward to all the good work that we're going to do together.
Thank you.
This facility is a wellness center being sponsored by KGL Foundation through the Lady Julia Foundation. The construction is being done by this morning, Ghana Limited and Italian contractor. We are currently at 60% complete for the civil works. We intend to complete the project in November 2025. We are grateful for the visit, and we do hope that by November, when you come back, you come and meet and complete the project. Thank you. Imanophobia Sabri, project manager.
So maybe a bit too won't mean can't any party moon wapumudin in film. In Saint Tina, Lady Julia will say it to a propia Santa Cotoco Henry. Ni Eve Medical Foundation, a yawa pound to ma, a deep one ma, a wamaya retrimuno. Enra, Moni KGL Foundation Kaboom, be a down cramuna, ebe boa man in quada, I didn't find who apple within. Massive Wedi, a Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology Medical Village, and a Jumedia course. Pimpin de na fin a crobia Santa Kotoko in a Lady Julia say to two, only the Vice President of Ghana, a year, Her Excellency, Jane Nana Opukwa Ibedu Jumedia Nwase. Professor Elezovusi Daboa, in Pimpin de Onone a Eve Medical Foundation noticing you to drama you say. Sat down cry up a jersey way, a bellboy ma, I didn't find one pomudin. Nay, Sebi, one was Santimemu Kwan a besumon, so ye me anoma, or mweti fidoman tell me another, a benya song for so. Sebi, Nipa dream fine so benya dada wakonia bedium. Na bibia wo ye bia wa adwene mu betimi ato no apomuden bekoso nti KGL Group chairman wadano ne Mr. Alexa Powdade awo no nko sebi impanisi nkadua kroje mframa egunso tu no si wo se adwumadi obehwe apagya dankra ne fe di kayesi wono nso de turudwa se ono de n'adwuma kuo na fa ato ne ho se wobeboa ama ya pomudin ya desua ho nsem nyina da akoso fanfan wo memo fisi kasi egya nyoma nyina abo abanso a ebe den sa aban betimi ayi nyina ye ready to dwa ohene Lady Julia wo say to kasa no wo kire se e kame akoye se wo man we mu de ye mfa ya adwene nko eye nipa ya adwene mu apomudin ho bebre wodi ho nkomo kra yetimi botugu nanso ohene yiri kire mu ma ye hu se sebi nipa bebre kwati tie mu ma o madwene mu fan a omunya mu apomudin no nti etimi wa awade bebre gu obi wo wa wo kusku a wontimi hweso nsuade mpo adwuma mu no se ebeye na adwuma bekoso from no nenso akoya ade foforo nenso adankora ya peche si wo se behwe ma ne se bi nkwada adwene mu apomudin no de ebeboa yie pa ma nyoma akoso fan na aboa ma obi biara sebi owo haw kakra wa na adwene mu so wo huye na kwadi ambadie mu ohun sebi ne ho atochema kakra no ebenya apomuden pa e dia nante adi ne dwuma ohene yiriwie na Ghana mampanyina bedi achi Her Excellency Professor Jean Nana Opoku Agyeman enso eda KGL Foundation na wani Eve Medical Foundation kabom na se ankran betu ne ho asiwo se obwa ama oman apomuden akoso saa odoma sifiri se kekase ojanyo manyina bogana ban so a ebeye den ifise Ghana ban di ode nani hwe edoso odoma se dankwa ya kokura siwe epepua ma nipa etiman mu yapomuden ni titiri ema ne nkwada a yemfe ya adwene nkoma pomuden wonsem ema se bi nkwada bi okro mu ko suku a omontimi hwe sunsu ade na ma bi nso a omodwumam modada sitina mu no omodwumadie mu ne ntimi nkoso no edankura ya page si Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology KGL Group any Eve Medical Foundation page si ebeboa omaya pomuden pa
Asante, my